welcome to the Divine Mercy Shrine, one of the most visited pilgrimage sites in Mindanao. Located in El Salvador City, Misamis Oriental, this shrine stands beautifully on a hill that overlooks Makahalar Bay. Every year, thousands of visitors come here to pray, reflect, and feel the presence of God, love, and mercy.
The Divine Mercy Shrine was built between 2003 and 2008. It was started by the Divine Mercy Foundation of Mindanao and made possible through the donations of faithful devotees.
The purpose behind its construction, the shrine was built to promote the Divine Mercy devotion, to give people a sacred place to pray, reflect, and experience God's mercy and forgiveness. Symbolism of the statue, the area, the 50-foot of statue of Jesus Christ, show rays of red and white light symbolizing blood and water from his heart, sign of mercy and salvation. The hill and stairs represent the journey of faith, while the peaceful area give visitor and sense the healing and peace.
The shrine is known for peaceful atmosphere and the many opportunities to offer for prayers and reflection. Divine Mercy Shrine is a place where people can deepen their faith and relationship with God.
The visitors are expected to wear a suitable suits, and the shrine provides a blue clothes for those who wear too revealing. The peaceful atmosphere is maintained to provide a solemn place for prayer and meditation.
The shrine features a towering 50-foot statue of Jesus as the Divine Mercy. Pilgrims can ascend 200 steps to reach the statue and experience a sense of peace and closeness to the Divine Mercy.
Divine Mercy reminds us that God's love and forgiveness are endless. The devotion began when Jesus appeared to Saint Faustina Kowalska in the 1930s, asking her to share his message of mercy.
The words, "Jesus, I trust in you," teach us completely to trust in His compassion. Here at the shrine, people come to seek peace, healing, and renewal of faith.
Good afternoon, Ma'am and Sir. So this is my question. What makes the Divine Mercy Shrine special for you?
Next.
Ito yung mahalaga tong ano.
Yes po.
Bakit mahalaga yung ano?
It's first time. It's our first time here. And we find it so beautiful, enchanting, and ano pa.
And
siyempre, it's nga. It's special kasi first time namin.
gusto. And
first time in this place, in this region, kasi Tagalog kami. Kaya inirecommend lang nung
friend namin.
Yung mga anak namin na mag-visit dito at hindi naman nakakapagsisi.
Next question.
So, how does this place inspire your faith or daily life?
It's deepening. It's deepening. Appreciating more of Jesus and our belief and our faith, Catholic faith, because we are Catholic. So it's important na visit tayo sa mga ganitong klaseng lugar para the more na nakikilala natin ang Diyos, the more na nakikilala natin ang sacrifices ni Jesus for us.
Thank you po.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mama,
That's it?
sir.
Thank you.
Last.
Next question.
Okay. What would you say to someone visiting the shrine for the first time?
Ano bang dapat natin sabihin? Una, irespeto. Respect the place. Diba? Keep it clean. Para ma-maintain ba yung yung cleanliness, yung holiness, yung sacredness ng
Serenity of
place.
the place.
Diba? Kasi sa amin in Luzon, meron din naman ganito, pero this is the first time na nakita namin na very clean. Ibig sabihin, disciplined ang mga visitors, diba, ang mga guests. Very important din kasi, diba, cleanliness is next to godliness. So, all those visiting the place should also maintain kung ano yung dinatnan, dapat aalis din na ganoon pa rin ang lugar.
Okay na, ma'am? Thank you.
The Divine Mercy Shrine is more than just a tourist site.
It is a symbol of hope, faith, and forgiveness.
A place where hearts are healed.
And souls are renewed.
May we always trust in God's mercy.
Ensure that mercy with others.
Jesus, we trust in you.